Hello, my name is Thomas Buscemi. I'm a recent graduate of devCodeCamp. And today I'll be presenting my capstone titled The Bag of Holding, in which the technologies I've used is Django Python for the backend, React, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap for the front end. Now, before I start presenting the entire website, I do want to tell you a little about myself. My last job was at Floor & Decor, and I was an overnight auditor, in which my tasks were to check every single shipment that was going out, whether it be going to another store or to a customer, to make sure all the product was correct, the right amount was there, and the quality was correct. And then I would store that using a forklift. Before that, I was a shift manager at GameStop, in which my main duties were to maintain the store and the other stores in the area, and then also to train new employees at my primary store and any other store in which they really weren't up to the standards that the head manager thought. Now, let me dive into my actual project. Now, the main thing about this website is to find people looking for a similar game experience for tabletop. This is using the Roll20 and Fantasy Grounds as the primary platforms to play online. With COVID and everything, I felt this was a good way because this is primarily what people have been using to play these games with those distancing and everything. Now, in here, you can see this is the landing, and if I search, no one's looking for this in particular. But if I simply change some of the search criteria, I can find people looking for a game and their chat name. Well, first we need to make an account. And that's pretty simple to do. If we click over here to register, we just fill this out, click register, and our account will be made. But I have an account already set up that will have some stuff already done for us and interactions already happening. So I'm going to show you that. So I'm going to click login. And then just like before, I can search for whatever criteria I want to find different people. And if no one's looking for the same type of experience, they won't come up. But if they're looking for something, there they'll show. Now, in here, I can go to the account. Now, this is the account where I set up what I want and what I'm looking for. So in here, your options are one shot, short campaign, and long campaign. You simply type in here what you want, and then once you click update, it will update all this information, and the same goes for the bottom half, which would be your login information and your email address and password. So you can change all this just by simply changing it and clicking the update button. Now, the main thing is once you find someone's name in here, you have to be able to talk to them and contact them. So that's why we have chat names. To go over here, you simply would either register a chat name if you don't already have one. I already have one already made up. So we're going to pull that one up real quick and log in. Now that I've logged in, we can see that, well, here's some interactions between one person and another. So this also, the chat can support pictures as well as videos if you wish to upload them here, which is pretty neat. And then to simply add more people, because in D&D, usually you play with multiple people, our Pathfinder, you simply will find the person, add, and they now can see the chat and they can interact in it. And now, if you want to start a new chat, you simply do this, rename it to whatever you want. So this will be times. Whoopsies, forgot to hit enter. And then I want to talk to time. And there he is. And now by simply doing that and typing anything in, it will send him a message that's going to go to him. And then whenever he wants to respond, he can. Now, going from there, we also have the tutorial page. Tutorial page is pretty straightforward in that it has tutorial for Pathfinder, D&D, Roll20, and Fantasy Grounds, and a little description over here. Now, this account in general is an admin-based account. So they have the power to change and update any of the videos, and that'll be done right here. Now, if I was logged in just on a user account or a standard account, this would not be here, and it simply displays the videos for the users to watch and enjoy and, get an understanding of the game if they're not sure yet. So yeah, that would be my project, the Bag of Holding.